In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to operate a FancyAll pressure washer, electric pressure washer. Been pretty satisfied with it so far. It's 150 bucks on Amazon. So you got the different parts here. This particular part here is actually called the spray lance, and it comes with the wand on the very end. Now this putting on this wand is a little bit tricky, but once you know how to do it, it's not difficult. And as a matter of fact, once you get the wand on the spray lance on, go ahead and keep it on there and just store it with the tip on. Okay, it comes with 4 different tips with 4 different degrees. That's pretty self-explanatory how they pop in on here. And then of course you got your foam basket that goes on here. That's pretty self-explanatory. To be honest, I don't even use the tips, and I don't use the foam basket where you'd put the soap in. I just use dishwasher detergent, like if I want to, and just soap down my car, and then I spray it off. It just seems like it's more hassle to put the spray basket on. Now with this wand here that goes onto the lance, what you're going to do is you're going to have to push up on this green thing, and you're going to use incredible force to push down the wand into the lance. And you'll line it up here, and it's so difficult to get on, but once you get it on, it's on, and I just recommend just keeping it on at all times. You'll see that it lines up here, and once you get those holes lined up, go ahead and give strength and push in, and you'll see that it pops in. And then what you want to do is you want to turn to your left, because what will happen is your wand will fly off while you're spraying if you don't turn to the left. And when you turn to the left, once you press it in, turn to the left, it'll pop in. Alright, and then of course you want to put in your spray hose here. Now I got my garden hose here. Of course you want to hook up to your house, and that is pretty self-explanatory. Let's go ahead and plug this in. Alright, so we got water, and it's got a GFCI surge protector AC cord, as you can see here. That's 35 feet long, and it's got the on and off button here. Let's go ahead and plug that in. I like the GFCI surge protector because you're mixing with water, and you want to hit the white light to make sure it's on. For whatever reason it doesn't work, make sure that that green light is on. And of course, let's give ourselves some water. Turn to the left. Got water. Alright. And it does have a safety lock on here. If you push forward, it will get it to where you can't press on this. And, whoops, didn't turn it on. And let's turn it on. Alright, that's it. That's my tutorial on how to operate a FancyAll pressure washer electric. Let me know in the comment sections if you got one, and tell me what you think of it.